This is how to enter the service menu for servicemen. Hold down the 3 keys shown with arrows for 4 seconds to enter the service menu. This is the main screen of the service menu. First, go to Monitoring. Go to Vehicle Analog. Here, you can check the current values of all sensors. Go to Vehicle Digital. You can check the actual operating state of various switches and actuators. This item allows you to quickly check the state of connections between switches, actuators and the EPOS without a separate tool. Go to Engine Signal. In Engine Signal, you can check the overall status of the engine. All information is shown instantly in real time. Go to User Selection Signal. You can check the value of the sensor you wish to check by selecting a sensor. Go to TMS Information. You can check the status of GPS and network signals. Terminal Information provides information about the TMS module. Go to the graph. Graph data monitoring allows you to select the desired data and display it in the form of a real-time graph. To display a graph on the screen, you must set the items you wish to check in advance in Graph Data setting in the previous menu. Let's try setting a few items. When you return to Graph Data monitoring after the settings are complete, you can see the set graph. Go to Failure Information. Real-time failure information shows current malfunctions in the machine. The codes and descriptions in real-time failure information are very helpful for resolving issues. In Failure Log Information, you can see a history of previous faults which have occurred in the machine. Go to Operation Hours Information. You can see a distribution chart of the operating hours for each mode, as well as the attachments, hydraulic oil and coolant temperature. Go to Machine Configuration. The Machine Configuration menu requires another password. The password is 1697. In this menu, you can adjust additional settings, such as options and program updates. After installing an attachment, if the settings for flow rate, pressure, etc. cannot be changed in the user menu, they must be unlocked here. Go to Option Setting 2. You must check here if you are using a ripper or rotating option in addition to a TMS module. Go to Program Update. Monitor updates can be performed with a USB. Never remove a USB while an update is in progress. Go to Machine Serial Number. The password is the same. Go to Machine Information Delete. This allows you to delete the previous history of faults and reset the operating hours. However, do not delete or reset data except under special circumstances. Go to Version Information. You can check information about the EPOS switch, gauge panel switch and gauge panel OS version. Go to Permanent Unlock. If the TMS 2.0 module is forcibly removed, EPOS and TMS module, from the machine, the TMS web sends a cannot start motor signal to the machine. You can unlock it permanently using the 8-character password received from the administrator. This is different from the TMS unlock function in the user menu, a one-time password which only unlocks it for 1 day. Now, let's enter the user menu and check whether the settings adjusted for the attachment before have been activated. Go to the main menu. Go to Machine Configuration. Go to Attachment Setting. Familiarize yourself with the manual for the attachment being installed to set the correct flow rate and pressure.